Let's see how to download iPad Update without Wi-Fi. In the first step, open Settings. After that, go to Mobile Data. Now switch on Mobile Data. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select Personal Hotspot. Next, turn on Allow Others to Join. In the next step, open Settings. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. Next, link to the personal hotspot. In the next step, launch Safari. Now, look for iTunes download. Later, get iTunes on a computer. In the next step, attach iPad to computer using cable. Then launch iTunes. Later, pair iPad with iTunes. You are good to go.